This is Ground Media UG.
Lights up my life. You're the only one I ever seen when you smile so bright. You just yesterday came along my way. Check the whole story with you astonishing beauty. Could I make your brother sing it? Ordinary thing is supernatural. I know you are right another one. But I'll only start to love you just the way you are. And see why my African queen, baby. God of my dreams. You take me where I never been, girl. Oh Lord, see why my African queen. God of my dreams. You remind me of a thing, girl. That is the African beauty. Oh Lord, oh Lord. I just love you, but come with it. Everything got one, brother. Out of a million, yes, that's when you was only one. When I look into your eyes, the one I see is paradise. Captivated my soul. Every day I want you more. How can I deny this feeling, baby girl? The feeling inside. I wanna go the necklace. I wanna make a place. That's the fuck out of the mess. And no, you want the one that makes us float. So make us float like a wonder wonderland. See where I am, baby. God of my dreams. Take me where I never been, girl. Oh Lord, you are my Africa. God of my dreams, baby. You remind me of a thing, girl. And that is the African beauty. Oh Lord, eh, eh. Just like the sun, light of the earth, light of my life. You're the only one I ever seen when it's smile so bright. Just yesterday, came along my way. Check the whole story. You astonishing beauty. Could I make your brother sing? I won't deny my fingers supernatural. And now you are better than them all. But I'm a son of love you just the way you are. See what? Hey, the girl of my dreams. Oh Lord, take me where I never been. Martins. Baby, you are my African queen. The girl of my dreams. You remind me of a thing, girl. That is the African beauty. Oh, baby. So good to see what I have. So for the Kimsaji. Gatana na kuzoma hizi gatano kwa msamvu. Tuna experience ya Charles Chiwa Papa Sport. Ati na kuzoma hizi musamvu kwa msamvu tujine chotera. Tuina jaruna kuserena. Karuruka jaruna kalibu. Tika tuba wadamu yati ulipo yayi. Kaimba kanoze kawereza abayimbi. Abatege sisi bali munyo. Say yeah.
Mutima gwange mpulira oŋŋonza onnekairira nsono muokwagala kale nzikiriza wabula nkusaba guno omulundi nga gwe kusemmayo nenkakasa alabira ddala alina okwagala era kusinga awo abasooka kale nensaba nti ogezeeko guno nga gwe kusemmayo ogirabye munsi gy'emikwane kitagwa obadde kigwe mbuulira mutima gwange oligati kwente emirala tegesigwa lewoojewa tala nditetera nabo abalinga kwe mazima ddala tekirina bwanga nditetera nabo abalinga kwe